We are making shredded chicken enchiladas. I'm gonna bring in my chicken and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons salsa verde, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and some cumin. I'm gonna get the chicken nicely coated. I'm going to bring in our keto tortillas. I wanna put it in our pan. Mix the remainder, roughly half a cup of sour cream, salsa verde. I'm gonna pour over our enchiladas and add shredded cheese. And we're going to bake these in the oven at 375 for roughly 15 minutes.